Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, August 16th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have yogurt cup and Cinnaminis. For lunch, we'll have spaghetti and breadsticks. Tomorrow for breakfast, we'll have a chicken biscuit with some fruit. For lunch, we'll have chicken sandwich, green beans, and fruit. Today's announcement. Tomorrow, your teacher will send home some papers for your parents to sign. These are very important. They are a device agreement for you to be able to use a school computer, the acceptable use policy that explains how you should use your computer, and the Chromebook handbook. You will have your parents sign the device agreement and the acceptable use policy and bring those back to school. You will keep the Chromebook handbook at your house. The class that returns all their forms first will get a popsicle picnic party with Miss Gibbs. So, make sure you take good care of those forms and get your parents to do their homework to sign them. Once again, those forms will be going home with you tomorrow. Your teacher will get them from Ms. Gibbs today, later on this afternoon after you go home, and tomorrow she will send them home. So tomorrow's homework will be get those forms signed, and I'll remind you again tomorrow. A couple of announcements. Dismissal. Students, please be working every day on learning your new car line numbers and being excellent listeners during car line. Teachers, please make sure your room is quiet during this time and there are no other activities taking place during dismissal. Masks. Remember, all faculty, staff, and students in second grade and up must wear your mask at all times unless you are eating. Everyone, please help each other to mask up and keep us all safe. Students, please remember it's also a good practice to wash your hands often during the day. Wash your hands every time after you use the restroom and at other times when you have the chance. Let's keep those germs away. We already have a couple of important dates. On August 16th, we have a faculty meeting after school. August 18th, we have classroom seating charts are due to Nurse Eden. And also, this Wednesday, August 18th, is School Picture Day. Our word of the day is add-end. The add-ends are the numbers that you add together when you're solving an addition problem. So in this problem, we have 5 plus 3 plus 2. 5, 3, and 2 are our add-ins, okay? Those are the numbers being added together. 5 plus 3 plus 2 equals 10. 5, 3, and 2 are the add-ins, and 10's the sum. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Cape Shepherd.